Hello everyone! Today we are unboxing a customized paddle which I bought from Chinese Pingpong online. The paddle consists of Palio G888 bat or blade and DHS G888 rubber, both forehand and backhand. So I requested the seller to assemble it for me because I have no idea on how to do it, and so they did it for free. Okay, so it's securely wrapped. Here you are. This is the box of the G888 rubber. I can't tell whether it's authentic or not, but according to the site, all their products are authentic. But I have no indication or knowledge on how to... Oh, I guess it's authentic. Okay. It looks new. Both forehand and backhand has G888 DHS rubber. So let's go to the paddle itself, the assembled paddle. This is the Palio paddle with G888 DHS rubber. Okay, so now I can confirm that the rubber is authentic since it has the authentication sticker on both sides, and the rubber is a bit thick as compared to all the other beginner rubbers, and the bat is really light. This is the Palio C80 table tennis blade. It's a Chinese brand. It also comes with a what you call this? Edge tape. And it says Chinese Pingpong. So thank you for watching, and it really feels great to hold the bat. It's really light and it fits my hands because the handle of the blade is thin. It is not rounded, it is a bit flat. And so I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm gonna try it out this afternoon with my buddy, and I will update you on how it goes. See you again next time. Bye-bye.